This is the FoldyLock Forever, world's strongest folding lock. And this is how it all began. A bike and a street lamp. For over 200 years, the good guys have been trying to connect between them, and the bad guys have been trying to separate them by force. This led to the invention of the chain lock, a highly irritating locking solution that gets in the way when you're cycling, and it's inconvenient to use. No wonder cyclists have been looking for an alternative. This is how the U-Lock was born, the ultimate locking solution. If only it was a bit wider. Seems it's never the right size with a U-Lock. There must be a better solution. And that's how folding locks were invented. A versatile and convenient locking solution with just one downside. They don't stop professional thieves that continue celebrating on the streets. Now that party's over. FoldyLock Forever has arrived. FoldyLock Forever is the world's strongest folding lock, setting a new level of security and meeting the strictest international standards. It's packed with cutting-edge patents, offering unique engineered solutions, enhancing durability, protection, and usability, making it the ultimate protection tool.
Hi, my name's Nick. I'm General Manager of Kryptonite. I'm going to talk to you today about the New York Forget About It lock. This lock scores 10 out of 10 on our security rating. This is basically the strongest lock money can buy. This lock's great for a quick stop or an overnight stop in an urban area, frankly, anywhere. The New York Forget About It comes with a double deadbolt, which means it has a lock on both sides of the shackle. It also comes with 3 stainless steel keys, one of them with an LED light. Don't forget to register those online, so if you lose them, we can replace them. It has a dust cover on the crossbar to prevent dirt and grime getting into the keyway. And as you'd expect, comes with the Kryptonite lifetime warranty. The Forget About It comes with 18mm triple heat treated steel, an oversized hardened steel crossbar, and interior locking dimensions of 3¼ by 6 inches, which means thieves will have a hard time getting any kind of tool inside that U-Lock. So let's remind ourselves, the Kryptonite Forget About It U-Lock is the strongest U-Lock we make. It scores 10 out of 10 on our security rating system. It is the urban lock you can use in just about any situation.
This is the Abus Goose lock. It is a brand new lock category that is ranked at security level 7. The Goose lock is available in several colors and a 110 centimeter length. Additionally, the black version is also available in 85 centimeters. The inside of the Goose lock consists of a so-called goose neck wire, which is very flexible and it is woven into a chain. Then it is covered with a kind of rubber material which prevents the chain and the wire from rattling. Additionally, it is covered with this colored fabric, which also protects your bike frame. The cool thing about the Goose lock is that it is a mixture of flexibility and stability. The flexibility makes sure that you are able to wrap, for instance, wrap the lock around your bike frame for transportation purposes, but also it is stable enough for you to conveniently lock your bike to an object. Also, it has an automatic cylinder, which means that you don't need your key to lock the Goose lock back up. So all in all, The ABUS Goose Lock is a brand new lock category ranked at security level 7 that has a very, very nice look and feel.
Hi, my name is Ron. Today I'm going to talk to you about the brand new Keeper Combo Chain. Our Keeper Combo Chains are rated a 5 out of 10 on our security scale, making them a moderate security lock. These locks are great for quick stops in a metropolitan area, a couple of hours in the suburbs, or even overnight in a more rural area. The Keeper Combo Chains come in two different sizes, the 790 and the 712. The Keeper 790 is 90 centimeters long and comes in at 3.75 pounds. The Keeper 712 is 120 centimeters long and comes in at 4.5 pounds. These chains feature a 7mm manganese steel chain link. The 790 and the 712 give you flexibility without having to sacrifice the durability of a U-lock. The beauty of these chains is a patent-pending 4-digit resettable combination. With over 10,000 different codes, it allows you to travel key-free. The lock head is made of hardened steel with a patent-pending deadbolt system and positive dial rotation. With a patent-pending index design, it makes it easy to rotate and reset your combination. This integrated chain features an end-link design locking mechanism that secures directly to the hardened deadbolt inside the lock. These locks feature a durable, weather-resistant nylon sleeve that help protect your bike against scratches. Once you've decided on your personal combination, make sure to register it for free with our Combo Safe program online. In the event you ever forget your combination, we'll be able to retrieve it for you. Also, if you ever decide to change it again, just let us know and we'll make a note of it. These locks are also eligible for our optional anti-theft protection offer. And as you'd expect from Kryptonite, they also come with our lifetime warranty. The new Keeper Combo Chains are a moderate security lock. They're great for quick stops in a metropolitan area, a couple hours in the suburbs, or even an overnight stay in a more rural area.
Hi, my name's Pete. I'm from Kryptonite. I'm here to talk to you about the Kryptolok Series 2 Standard U-Lock. The Kryptolok Series 2 is rated a 6 out of 10 on our security scale. It's a moderate security lock, great for quicker metropolitan area lockups or longer suburban area lockups. The Kryptolok Series 2 Standard comes with a bent foot shackle for ease of use. It also comes with 2 stainless steel keys. Remember to register your key number with us, and in the event that you lose these keys, Kryptonite will send you 2 free replacement keys. Also, the Kryptolok Series 2 Standard has a sliding dust cover which helps keep dirt and debris out of your cylinder. And as usual, it comes with a lifetime warranty. The Kryptolok Series 2 also comes with the Transit Flex Frame bracket. This bracket can be mounted to your bike frame for ease of transport. The Kryptolok Series 2 has a 13mm steel shackle, and the interior locking dimensions are 4 inches by 9 inches. The Kryptolok Series 2 Standard is a moderate security lock. It's great for longer suburban area lockups or quick metropolitan area lockups.